Something that we're going to want to note with this one, oh, it just popped right off. So if you can see the top layers over here, I'm trying to smooth those out. Texture around his eyes, trying to smooth that out. Texture on his feet, trying to smooth that out. Some of these back ridges. I don't know if you can see any of those. The material this actually is Polysmooth. And what we're going to do right now is put in an alcohol bath to smooth out all those edges. A lot of people will be familiar with acetone smoothing for ABS. What you're basically doing is softening the material, it's getting all the ridges out, it's kind of fusing it. So it's literally breaking down the outer layer and then fusing it on. So as you can start to see, some of the layer lines on the top are starting to disappear. Some of the details on the feet, all those rough details starting to go. So as it starts drying, you'll see that starts getting a more clean sheen on it. So again, as I was mentioning, you can see on his top, those layers that used to be there are all smoothed down. And then you can see that his feet, which had very fine detail on them, are all smoothed out. Obviously the package in the back. And again, some of this detail in the eye, we can run them in again and try to get most of that out. Polymaker also sells like a polycast material that can get smoothed out in the same way. So if you're getting into casting, that's a good way to have no layer lines when you start making molds. Yeah, no, it's just a good thing to have. And if you get a chance, try it out.